Hi everyone, today we're going to have a read of this book. It's called Hey Little Ant. We're going to use it in our writing. Hey little ant. Kid, hey little ant down in the crack. Can you hear me? Can you talk back? See my shoe? Can you see that? Well, now it's going to squish you flat. Ant, please, oh please, do not squish me. Change your mind and let me be. I'm on my way with a crumb of pie. Please, oh please, don't make me die. Anyone knows that ants can't feel. You're so tiny you don't look real. I'm so big and you're so small. I don't think it'll hurt at all. Ant, but you are a giant and giants can't know how it feels to be an ant. Come down close, I think you'll see that you are very much like me. Kid, are you crazy? Me like you? I have a home and a family too. You're just a speck that runs around. No one would care if my foot came down. Ant, oh big friend, you are so wrong. My nestmates need me 'cause I am strong. I dig our nest and feed baby ants too. I must not die beneath your shoe. Kid, but my mum says the ants are rude. They carry off our picnic food. They steal our chips and breadcrumbs too. It's good if I squish a crook like you. Ant, hey, I'm not a crook, kid. Read my lips. Sometimes ants need crumbs and chips. One little chip can feed my town. So please don't make your shoe come down. Kid, but all my friends squish ants each day. Squishing ants is a game we play. They're looking at me, they're listening too. They all say I should squish you. I can see you're big and strong. Decide for yourself what's right and wrong. If you were me and I were you, what would you like me to do? Should the ant get squished? Should the ant go free? It's up to the kid, not up to me. We'll leave the kid with the raised up shoe. What do you think the kid should do? Alright, today it's your job to have a think about what you believe. Do you think the little ant should be squished or should not be squished? In our writing today, we're going to write a plan that will convince people that either the ant should be squished or should not be squished. If you'd like to, you can watch the next video that will give you an example of how to write a plan for your persuasive writing today.